Hit that like, hit that subscribe tab if you like these First Amendment audits here in Jackson, Michigan at the Jackson County Courthouse, holding these activist judges accountable, these radical judges here in Jackson, Michigan, trying to flood our streets with illegals. Welcome to this First Amendment Audit YouTube video. Cops on patrol here at Freedom News Now. Hit that like, hit that subscribe tab. It's all about police accountability, civil rights education, and information. Let's do it. Let's go. Let's do it. See if we can run into some insane Karens today, some psycho Karens. There's always that possibility. Moving through. Got some new cameras, brand new cameras up here for y'all. They've got money for all these brand new cameras for the taxpayers. They better never say anything about our cameras here at Freedom News Now. The top G of the 1A audit community. The final boss, Justin Mack. This is an alleyway here. This is like a road right here. Public roadway. This is actually a public roadway. Back here, this is where all your high-ranking officials, your judges, your prosecuting attorneys, your DAs, where they all park. Back here at the rear of the back of the court building, back of the courthouse here in Jackson, Michigan, the north side of the building. Over here you've got the jail, their lot, their vehicle lot. And then there's Sallyport. See, there's an officer in that vehicle there, a deputy. We're hiding from him right now. You can't see us. Around the corner there's a Sallyport. See their patrol units got a different paint scheme on them now. They're all blacked out. Push more fear, more intimidation on we the people, on the public. I do like those American flag stickers. One side they have an American flag, and I believe the other side thin blue line sticker. Could be all American flags now. They might have went to all American flags now. That's good to see. That's what they did. Yeah, this is the jail up there. That's all the jail, those upper levels, upper floors. Oh, you can see, yeah, you can see the judge. The one judge always brings these. He's must have some sort of car collection. You can see the front end of it. It looks like maybe an old Ford Mustang. On these really nice days, he always drives those old historic vehicles. Here in Jackson, Michigan. We're keeping an eye on them up here at the Jackson County Courthouse. Stay with us. That cop was looking hard, rubbernecking hard. That cop, he was rubbernecking at the camera. Oh, that was one of the bond officers, bail bondsmen. We're at the Jackson County building. What a great time to be alive. Here for accountability and transparency. Hit that like, hit that subscribe tab if you like these First Amendment audits. Here in Jackson, Michigan at the Jackson County Courthouse, holding these activist judges accountable. These radical judges here in Jackson, Michigan, trying to flood our streets with illegals. These activist judges like Allison Batestein and Michael Clarence Stein here at the Jackson D12 Courthouse. We'll keep an eye on them, hold them accountable for harboring and concealing, aiding and abetting illegals like you wouldn't believe. We're just here recording and documenting on it. That's all we can do, report on it. Report, record and document, report for all to see. We also have the Jackson Public Schools around here harboring and concealing their precious illegals. The superintendent, he just stepped down, resigned, was pressured by the people. For the Jackson Public Schools superintendent selling out the American taxpayer for his precious illegals. when we said not another dime here in Jackson, Michigan. You gotta like that. Hit that like, hit that subscribe tab. That's all for now. We're gonna wrap this video up here at Freedom News Now for police accountability, civil rights education YouTube videos, and I'll see you on the next one.